Debugging AI agents isn't like debugging ordinary software. It's more like helping out a crack new intern who just doesn't really know what's going on. That's why we need a new kind of debugger. Introducing Lunette by Fulcrum Research. The best thing about Lunette, it's investigation agents. They can re-enter the exact same sandbox your agents ran in, so they can run experiments that tell you why your agents failed, and even whether your tasks are broken or not. Alright, now let's see an example of Lunette in action. So here I have a cloud trajectory on a sweep bench task, and as you can see I've got a score of 0, so that's not good. I want to know, is this because my agent just failed, or is there something wrong with this task? Is it broken in some way? To answer this question, I'm going to start a Lunette investigation. So here, just to give it some basic context about the environment. And I know from my experience with Sweetbench that lots of tasks are misspecified, so I'm going to ask it to just tell me whether the task is well specified or not. And let's start an investigation. Okay, so the investigation is done, and we've gotten back this issue report. It's saying that the task is underspecified because we're supposed to handle this non-serializable data, but the agent's instructions don't say anything about that. Now you might be asking yourself, how do I know that this issue is actually real? Well, with Lunette you can see everything our investigator agents do, with the help of detailed summaries and message references, so you don't have to read through the whole transcript yourself without any help. Here's a good example of the kind of investigation our agents do. Here, it's running code to figure out exactly what the test case expects, so exactly what they're looking for, and then it compares that with the task description, using the results of the code to figure out the task is underspecified. It does exactly the same thing you would do to debug an issue like this, except now, Lunette does it for you. If you want to try out Lunette on your own data, go to lunette.dev to get started.